The National Weather Service in New Orleans has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Ascension Parish in southeastern Louisiana, west central St. James Parish in southeastern Louisiana, southeastern Iberville Parish in southeastern Louisiana, north central Assumption Parish in southeastern Louisiana, until 5:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 4:57 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Ville-Sorel, or 9 miles southwest of Plaquemine, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Gonzales, Donaldsonville, St. Gabriel, White Castle, Geismar, Bayou Sorel, Carville and Belle Rose. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in New Orleans. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following parishes in Louisiana: Ascension, Assumption, Iberville and St. James.